breaking young girls' hearts.
Alright, we need more of you.
Yeah.
We need more of you.
You didn't do it. Don't hide your enjoyment.
Get this on camera. Nobody will believe you. Hold on, let's see how many people are getting on. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be hilarious. What up? Be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. Thank you guys. Next time we'll get it off, I promise. I saw you guys.com. If any cops got on the train, we all arrested. It was a joke, guys. Joke. Not illegal to enjoy yourself. Yeah. Jay-Z and Kanye. Jay-Z, Kanye. That's great. That's great. Motto, Drake and Lil Wayne. Journey, don't stop believing. Y'all know the words. Let's do it. You ready? Ready? Let's go. Just a small town girl. Lonely world. Living in a lonely world. Midnight train. She's just a midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy. Just a city boy. Born and raised in South Detroit. Born and raised in South Detroit. What do you think? What do you think? You took the midnight train going anywhere. Strangers searching up and down the river. Outcast. Gnarls Barkley. I remember when. I remember.
Cut it.
We are very good. Thank you. Thank you guys.